Hello everyone, back with another video. Today we are making a duck and sausage gumbo. Alrighty everybody, so here's the ingredients that we're going to be needing for the duck and sausage gumbo. Chicken broth, garlic and onions, 2 duck breasts, bunch of veggies, parsley, flour, oil to make the roux with these two. This is a sausage mix that I just made up. It's turkey sausage mix. I gotta fry them up into little balls or something. Tomato. And then, of course, a bunch of Cajun seasoning. We'll probably use Old Bay, salt, pepper, garlic, cayenne pepper, chili powder, the whole mix of everything. Holy Trinidad. Alright, so to start off, we're going to brown off our meats in a little bit of oil, and we'll saute down the onions and garlic, and we'll get to that and I'll show you guys. Alright everyone, starting off with some onions and garlic and butter in the pan. One thing I did forget to mention is this is over rice as well. You could do it over pasta or really just pasta or rice would be your main two. You could just eat it plain up like a soup, it would be good like that too. Have it over bread, there's a bunch of different options, but pasta and rice are like the main two, so yeah, we're doing it over rice. Alrighty, the onions and garlic are about translucent now, so we're gonna take out about 3/4 of the onions and garlic, and we'll go with our meats. Side note, I do have to form these into little sausages. I think just do like little sausage balls would be good, right? And we'll add some oil to the pan too, so they can just brown off, and then we'll finish them in the stew. Or gumbo. Alrighty everyone, so the onions, about 3/4 of them are out. We added a little bit more oil to the pan with some salt and pepper with the onions and garlic that's left over. And we're going in with our duck and then some sausage. Okay, here's our 2 duck breasts going in. Alrighty, here's our like spicy Italian sausage kind of deal. So we're gonna make it in little balls and we'll throw in there. Alrighty everyone, the duck is done browning off. We'll throw it on the side here. Then we'll add our sausages in once I'm done rolling along. All the balls are done, going in. First batch sausage is done, going to a second. And our fried roux. We're making a dark roux, so we're using flour and oil for that. And then we'll just cook those down about even parts, and they'll get nice and thick. Then we're going with our veggies and everything else into this nice big roux. I might stir fry down some of these veggies too first, and I'll realize, so I'll probably do that after these meatballs, add it in with the flavor stuff I got, add some seasonings, then we'll make our roux, then we'll build from there. Alrighty everybody, we're starting the rice now too. Alrighty, our veggies are done frying too, so we're going to take those out and start our roux. Alrighty, for our roux, we're just going to do oil and flour, and then we're just going to get it till it's a nice dark color. So we're probably going to have to cook it a little while, continuously stir and make sure not to burn it, but we want that golden brown color. Alrighty everyone, so this is the most tedious part of making this gumbo, is this roux. That's the consistency that I'm more or less looking for on the color. We could go a little bit darker, but I'm pretty happy with that. You just want it to look like mud, kinda. Now, here comes the fun part, is pretty much just adding everything back into the pot and then slowly cooking it down until it thickens up and gets to the right consistency. Adding our seasonings and our flavors, then I'll throw it over some rice and it'll be good. Alright, here we go. So our gumbo has everything in it. Now we're just gonna let it boil down a little bit, hopefully thicken up. I'll keep on stirring it continuously. And when it's ready, I'll throw it over some rice, add some more seasons to it as I taste it, and then I'll show you guys what's up. Alrighty everybody, so our gumbo is done. I know it's not like a traditional sausage and chicken gumbo or seafood and stuff, but it's a dark gumbo, so yeah, I think it's gonna be really good. It's really hot right now, but I'll give you guys a taste and let you know what I think. It's served up with rice and got all the seasonings and spices to taste, and I'm excited. Oh, it's really good. Balls here that we got, or sausages. Those are really good too. Only a little bit spicy. It's got a little piece of this duck. So good. So good. Alrighty everyone, that is the duck gumbo turkey sausage video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys try this recipe out because it is like so good. I know it wasn't really super measurement-y, but for me when I'm making like gumbo or stew and stuff, it's kind of just everything in the pot works out at the end. So yeah, thank you everybody for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. Hope you guys try this like I said before. Leave a like and subscribe if you guys liked it. If not, no worries then. Peace y'all.